How to order bulk supplies from Walmart. Hello everyone, I am Bishalka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to order bulk supplies from Walmart. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Walmart Marketplace is a fast-growing e-commerce platform. Sellers with a large number of items or those selling across multiple marketplaces can benefit from bulk uploading, facilitating faster listing, leveraging existing product information, and streamlining catalog management. Some items have limits on the amount Walmart can ship to you. If you cannot add more of an item to your cart, it's either due to quantity limits or stock availability. Unfortunately, Walmart cannot send more than the quality limit allows. Walmart reserves the right to limit the quantity of items purchased per person, household, or order. These restrictions may apply to orders placed by the same Walmart account, using the same credit card, gift card, or checking account, and orders that use the same billing or shipping address. Also, note that Walmart is meant for personal, non-commercial use, and Walmart reserves the right to prohibit dealers or resellers. So, this is how you can order bulk supplies from Walmart. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.